Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to bleed brakes Infiniti G35 only ways. Lift the car, remove the wheels, and locate the caliper bleed nipple. Use a clear hose and a catch bottle to monitor air and fluid. Have a helper press the brake pedal while you open and close the nipple. Work from the furthest wheel to the closest. Keep brake fluid topped and avoid contamination at all. Prepare by gathering DOT brake fluid, a wrench that fits the bleed nipple, clear tubing, and a catch bottle. Park on level ground and set the parking brake, then chalk rear wheels for safety. Wear gloves and eye protection to avoid fluid contact. Keep rags and a funnel nearby for neat topping. Inspect hoses and lines for leaks before starting the bleed procedure to ensure an effective and safe job. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more DIY car tips. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Link in the description for deals and the exact product. I appreciate the support, and that small item keeps your cabin pleasant while working on brakes. Check the description for the link and other offers. Now let's get back to the video. Begin bleeding at the wheel farthest from the master cylinder, usually the passenger rear, then work clockwise. Have your helper pump the pedal 3 to 5 times and hold it down while you open the bleed nipple. Close the nipple before they release the pedal to avoid drawing air back in. Repeat until clear fluid flows with no bubbles, then move to the next wheel and maintain fluid level in the master cylinder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.